Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Product Reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 14 best paddle rackets for beginners that are perfect for improving your game with comfort and control. Whether you're just starting out or upgrading your first racket, these picks offer great balance, durability, and performance. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews and updates. CarbonFlex EVA Paddle Racket. The CarbonFlex EVA Paddle Racket is ideal for beginners who want a lightweight and responsive racket. Its EVA foam core provides excellent shock absorption, reducing strain during long practice sessions. The carbon fiber frame ensures durability and enhanced power for each shot. Balanced weight distribution makes it easier to control swings and maintain precision, helping beginners develop proper techniques. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip while minimizing wrist fatigue. Perfect for recreational play or training, the CarbonFlex EVA Paddle Racket combines performance, comfort, and durability, making it a reliable choice for anyone just starting their paddle journey. Bullpadel Pearl Paddle Racket. The Bullpadel Pearl Paddle Racket offers beginners a perfect blend of control and power. Its innovative design ensures smooth handling and precise shots, making it easier for newcomers to master the game. Lightweight construction allows for quick reaction times, while the high-density core enhances power without sacrificing control. The racket surface texture improves ball spin, giving players better accuracy and versatility on the court. Comfortable grip and balanced weight make it ideal for extended practice sessions. Whether you're training or playing casual matches, the Bullpadel Pearl Paddle Racket provides a professional feel while being beginner-friendly, helping players enjoy the game confidently. Teardrop Women Paddle Racket. The Teardrop Women Paddle Racket is specifically designed for beginners seeking a lightweight and easy-to-handle option. Its teardrop shape provides a larger sweet spot, ensuring more consistent and forgiving shots. The soft EVA core absorbs shocks and reduces strain on wrists and arms, making it ideal for extended practice sessions. Its balanced weight and ergonomic handle enhance maneuverability, helping players develop proper technique. Stylish design and durable construction make it a great choice for recreational and casual games. Whether starting out or upgrading your beginner gear, the Teardrop Women Paddle Racket ensures comfort, control, and confidence for new players on the court. Pro Cup USPA Paddle Racket. The Pro Cup USPA Paddle Racket is designed to give beginners a balanced combination of power and control. Lightweight yet durable, it allows players to make precise shots without losing energy. The EVA foam core absorbs impact, reducing strain during long matches and improving comfort. Its textured surface enhances ball spin, giving newcomers better accuracy. Ergonomically designed handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, helping players maintain consistency in every swing. Perfect for training or casual games, the Pro Cup USPA Paddle Racket helps beginners develop essential skills while enjoying a professional feel with a durable and reliable racket. Padel Spin Control Strips. The Padel Spin Control Strips are an innovative accessory for beginner players looking to enhance ball spin and control. Designed to attach easily to your racket, they improve precision during shots and help develop better techniques. These strips are lightweight and unobtrusive, ensuring that the racket's balance and feel remain comfortable. Ideal for training sessions, they allow beginners to practice spin control without changing their playing style drastically. Compatible with most Padel rackets, the Padel Spin Control Strips are a cost-effective way to enhance performance, boost confidence on the court, and accelerate skill development for newcomers to the sport. LAPAT Carbon Padel Racket. The LAPAT Carbon Padel Racket is perfect for beginners seeking a lightweight yet powerful racket. Its carbon fiber frame provides excellent durability and power, while the EVA core ensures shock absorption and comfort during extended play. Balanced weight distribution allows beginners to maintain control and precision in every shot. The textured hitting surface enhances spin and accuracy, improving overall performance. Ergonomic handles minimize wrist fatigue and provide a secure grip. Ideal for recreational matches or training, the LAPAT Carbon Padel Racket helps newcomers develop technique, confidence, and consistency, making it a reliable option for anyone starting their padel journey. Gamma Mirage Paddle Racket. The Gamma Mirage Paddle Racket combines lightweight design and beginner-friendly features for an enjoyable playing experience. Its EVA foam core provides comfort and shock absorption,
while the durable frame ensures long-lasting performance. The racket's balanced weight distribution makes it easier for new players to control shots and develop proper technique. Textured surface enhances spin and ball control, giving beginners an edge during training or casual matches. Comfortable handles reduce wrist strain and improve grip security. With its sleek design and reliable performance, the Gamma Mirage Padel Racket is an excellent choice for newcomers looking for a durable, easy-to-handle racket to improve their game. Carbon Fiber Padel Racket. The Carbon Fiber Padel Racket is designed for beginners who want a durable and lightweight option to improve their game. Its carbon fiber frame ensures enhanced power and long-lasting performance, while the EVA core absorbs impact and provides comfortable play. Balanced weight distribution and ergonomic handle improve control and swing consistency, making it easier to develop proper technique. The textured surface allows beginners to add spin and precision to their shots. Ideal for recreational games or practice sessions, the Carbon Fiber Padel Racket is perfect for new players who want a reliable, versatile, and professional-feeling racket to boost confidence on the court.
A10 Luxury Padel Racket. The A10 Luxury Padel Racket is a beginner-friendly racket that offers a professional feel with easy handling. Lightweight and balanced, it allows players to execute precise shots without excessive effort. The EVA foam core provides excellent shock absorption, reducing strain during long matches and practice sessions. Its textured hitting surface enhances ball control and spin, giving beginners better performance. Ergonomic handle design ensures a secure, comfortable grip for extended use. Whether training or playing recreationally, the A10 Luxury Padel Racket delivers consistent performance, durability, and comfort, making it an ideal choice for newcomers aiming to improve skills and enjoy the game. EVA Carbon Padel Racket. The EVA Carbon Padel Racket combines lightweight design with high durability, perfect for beginner players. Its EVA core provides excellent shock absorption, reducing wrist and arm fatigue during long practice sessions. The carbon frame ensures reliable power for each shot while maintaining control. Balanced weight distribution and ergonomic handles allow beginners to develop proper techniques and maintain consistency on the court. The textured surface improves spin and accuracy, enhancing overall performance. Ideal for recreational matches or training, the EVA Carbon Padel Racket provides comfort, durability, and control, making it an excellent first racket for anyone starting their paddle journey with confidence.
Navy Carbon Padel Racket. The Navy Carbon Padel Racket is designed for beginners seeking a reliable and easy-to-handle racket. Its lightweight carbon frame provides durability and power, while the EVA foam core ensures comfortable play and reduces impact strain. Balanced weight allows precise shots and better control for new players. The textured hitting surface enhances spin, improving performance during matches or training. Ergonomic handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, reducing wrist fatigue. Suitable for recreational and beginner-level competitive play, the Navy Carbon Padel Racket offers a combination of durability, comfort, and control, making it an ideal choice for players looking to improve their padel skills. Babolat Veron Padel Racket. The Babolat Veron Padel Racket is a lightweight and beginner-friendly racket that ensures a smooth and controlled playing experience. Its EVA core absorbs shocks for comfortable extended sessions, while the durable frame provides consistent power in every swing. Balanced weight distribution helps newcomers maintain control and precision. The textured surface allows enhanced spin, improving accuracy during rallies. Ergonomic handles reduce fatigue and provide a secure grip for beginners. Ideal for recreational matches and training, the Babolat Veron Padel Racket combines performance, comfort, and reliability, helping new players build confidence and enjoy their padel journey with style and efficiency. Axel Padel Racket Set. The Axel Padel Racket Set is perfect for beginners looking for a complete starter package. Each racket is lightweight, balanced, and designed for easy handling to help new players develop proper technique. EVA cores provide excellent shock absorption, while durable frames ensure long-lasting use. Textured surfaces enhance spin and control, improving accuracy during play. Ergonomic handles offer comfort and reduce wrist fatigue. The set often includes accessories like grips or carrying cases, providing everything a beginner needs to get started. Ideal for recreational matches and practice, the Axel Padel Racket set is a practical, reliable, and fun way to enter the world of paddle. Wilson Carbon Padel Racket. The Wilson Carbon Padel Racket is an excellent choice for beginners seeking durability, control, and comfort. Its carbon fiber frame delivers consistent power while remaining lightweight for easy handling. EVA foam core absorbs shocks, reducing strain on wrists and arms during extended play. Balanced weight and ergonomic handles help players maintain precise swings and improve technique. Textured surface enhances spin and ball control, giving beginners an edge during rallies. Perfect for recreational games or training sessions, the Wilson Carbon Padel Racket combines performance, comfort, and reliability, making it a top pick for anyone starting their paddle journey and looking to develop skills confidently.
That wraps up the top 14 best Padel rackets for beginners. Each of these rackets offers unique benefits, from lightweight handling to improved control, comfort, and spin capabilities. Whether you're just starting out or upgrading your gear, these rackets will help boost your confidence and performance on the court. Before making a purchase, check the link in the description below for prices and additional details. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews. Thanks for watching Top Product Reviews, and enjoy your game!